Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So if you've been thinking of cutting off your hair and having no regrets tomorrow, then today's video will feature some amazing long to short hair transformations that are sure to inspire you. For women going from super long strands, to a head-turning pixie, to a stylish and chic bob haircut, we hope that today's video inspires you to make that major hair change. And if it does, please feel free to give today's video a big thumbs up, and of course be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So without further ado, let's take a look at these inspiring long to short hair transformations.